Okay, so we've got ourselves a knife here that needs a little help. You can see that that's really got some wear on it. That's okay. We're going to take care of that. So you go ahead and you hold this while I sharpen this. And keep it kind of low here, just like that. Yeah, I want you to see how this works. It's very easy. You have a pair of guides here. These are self-centering, auto-locking guides. All you got to do is put your knife in here and torque it, and that centers the edge. Now I want you to put some pressure. Use the guide to keep the blade steady, and use the insert, this little guy right here, to sharpen the edge. And you'll hear it, you'll see it, you'll feel it, and it works in there. Very powerful. We're doing just one side. Then we come over here, we repeat. We lather, we rinse, we repeat. We do the same process, we use the same technique. Approximately the same number of strokes, although I don't count. We're going to achieve the same result, which is the same angle on both sides. See that? Side one, side two, and then you want to come here, use these little inserts that are rounded, use these to make the edge really straight and true. And then as you use the knife a little bit, use the knife, come back in here. Use the knife a little bit, come back in here. That's how you maintain the edge. And then you're like that. So that's a very clean, tight edge. If you want to make it tighter, you have to use a little piece of ceramic here. Ceramic will remove whatever is left, the little microscopic amounts of roughness. And you simply wear that off like both sides. And that's how you get them both the same.
You're holding that blade about the same angle as you were when you sharpened.
Roughly. Yeah, it's going to be that way. Although if it's a little bit off like that, that won't hurt anything. Just don't do that. See? And then at the very tail end, I do a few of these. And this just makes it feel like both sides are the same. And that's what you have to do to finish that off. And then you got this. So I didn't get that big chunk out of there, but that's all right. I got everything smooth going around it. And now I'm here. Okay, I'll take that, come back here, we can examine that a little closer. We can see it's extremely sharp. That's how we do it, the SELECTOOL and a piece of ceramic. Okay.